Hey guys, it's Lily.
And Peyton.
And today we're doing we're making slime again.
You can.
So this time we're going to we have this. This is all mine. And then Peyton has the same exact thing as me, but Peyton has 4 bottles, I have 4 bottles. Then we got paint, scent, food coloring, paint, foaming soap, contact solution, and yeah.
Lotion.
And lotion over there.
Yeah. Okay, let's start. We're gonna do one bottle first to see if it makes it.
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, start. Oh, think of what if we added all that?
It would be big, obviously.
I always try to get all of it out.
Me too. Like all of it.
But how does yours have so much more?
How did they remember your 100%?
Oh, because yours is
They're ours.
they're ours.
They were $13.99.
No, they weren't that. And then we saw some for $7.
Yeah,
Remember?
And they're supposed to be ours, and me and Peyton like them.
Why would they pay you $13.99?
They didn't. Then we found some that were $7.99, but
Okay,
they still said we could
pretty
get
much
them.
done.
We said no.
Lily,
but
what
they
do we
still
add
said we could
next?
get them.
What do we add?
We
next?
add whatever paint we want.
No, we add foaming soap.
We do that after we add paint.
Mom, I always break this, so how do you open this? Because I always break this.
It's kind of like shaving cream, but with a scent.
Here.
And it says it's really good for slime. So
Look,
Wow.
gently.
okay.
Okay, I want to use.
Okay, it didn't open.
Okay, that should be good. Put your lid on. That's
Thanks.
what I want to use that first. Just do like 3 pumps.
Yeah, that's what I
Do
do.
3 pumps.
Okay, now I'm gonna mix it, and then I'm gonna add my things after.
Lily, and I know why, because yours is a bigger container, and then mine's like skinny. Okay, I'm gonna mix it. Oh, it's already starting to.
No, it's not.
No, mine's foamy. Oh, it's gonna smell good because the thing smells good.
Okay. Now
Wait, I'm gonna put mine.
Don't drop your fork though. I meant your spoon.
Yeah, that's why I'm putting mine on the other side of mine.
Okay, I'm just gonna do this because I don't feel like.
No, take off that lid.
Okay, whatever.
I'm gonna use blue.
I'm using this teal color. I'm so excited.
Yeah.
But I'm also kind of like nervous because last time we bought a lot and it didn't even turn
Yeah.
out.
Well, we
Okay.
only bought. Okay.
It's
Do
metallic.
not only use like one.
Mine's
little drop.
metallic. Well, sorry.
Oh, God.
I used a lot too. Mine's metallic.
So is mine.
It's all shiny.
So is mine.
Bro, this is so cool.
Wait, I'm gonna put mine all in one corner because
That's what I'm trying to do, but there's a bunch of lumps in mine.
Yeah, so am mine.
It's just flat. No, there isn't.
Okay, what's after this? Pigment.
Pigment. That's the scent. We add that. We add that at the end, I think.
I want mine to be more
I
foamy.
meant to add purple to mine because if we add grape scent, then
Oh yeah.
I'm adding more of this.
I like my color though, but I'm gonna have to add more because mine's gonna be like a light color.
Yeah.
Since the foam is
I knew
white.
that was gonna happen. Fudge.
What?
Okay, it's okay. I dropped my spoon in it.
Oh my god. It squirted up at me. Oh mine, dude, look at mine.
Okay.
Alright, let's add contact.
Wait, I feel like we're forgetting something. That lotion's for the end, so yeah, we aren't forgetting anything actually.
Alright, I wanna activate mine first.
Okay.
If it doesn't work, then we're gonna add
Should we go get our other one now?
other
So
one.
it's opening the other one that we have. No, it's fine. That's like under my bed somewhere.
Shoot, grab that.
You get it.
No, you.
I'm just gonna open it for you.
I wanna do it. Oh my god, sorry guys.
Whatever you do, don't stain my counters or your clothes. That calamari thing was really expensive.
Okay, I'm taking this
Stain
off.
on it.
I'm taking it off.
Yeah.
And your brand new shirt. You should be wearing like old shirts.
I have a tank top on.
Take it off. Take your shirt off then. I'm taking
Well,
this
if
off.
anything gets on it stained, and then you can't wear it again.
And we have tons of tank tops, so I'm only gonna add a little bit.
No, not really.
Oh, it's working!
We knocked something off the shelf and Papa yelled at us.
And then we walked away.
Yeah.
Oh, it's starting.
Stop. Don't touch it.
Don't touch it. It's not even slime yet.
Why not?
Because I
We
didn't.
didn't add. Oh, it's not really working. But I have to add more because I only had 15
Because
bits.
we need baking soda.
Mom, get the baking soda.
Well, you need to change your camera angle.
We don't.
What do you do?
Carter, will you get us the baking soda?
It's in the cupboard above the microwave.
No, you good.
Please.
No,
Mom, get us the baking soda. Carter won't.
I don't have to.
Oh my god. Kayla, you're not having any pistachios.
Where is it?
Up
what I thought.
there. No.
No, up there. 2 little tiny ones.
The 2 tiny ones.
Carter.
Oh my god.
I don't think we have any.
Back there, green box. But this is hot, so.
Mom, we need the green thing.
Here, I'm gonna dump the whole box.
No.
No.
Carter. Give me it.
I'm only doing a pinch.
Don't. Just take some of mine.
in. So is this mine?
No.
Carter.
Here, just dump this off.
Oh, I think the lid was actually off.
What are these?
I'm gonna set this on the counter because then we can just.
Oh, there you are.
It's okay. That's why I got 2 for a reason.
Is this supposed to just sit there like that?
It's not.
What are you doing? What is that?
What are we forgetting? I don't know.
You put that in there?
Baking soda.
You know, everything's done.
I think we need more baking soda.
So why you opening
Go
it
get the
now?
green things.
Carter, hand us the green thing.
No.
Oh,
Mom, hand us the green things. We need the teaspoon one. And then we'll empty them.
No, you don't.
Carter, get out.
No. You guys have 2 cameras.
Because we're, give me a no, give me a. Oh my god, you got slime from my hand.
Dude, this is not working.
Because we need more baking
I
soda.
have more stuff for school.
Oh, that was a lot. Oops. I wouldn't use that much.
Mom,
No,
what's
see if
this?
it works though. If it does, you always have another bottle.
No!
That's what I just did.
what?
My spoon fell in.
I thought you were cooking. Where are you going?
Upstairs.
Come cook.
See, mine's working
Come
now.
cook.
It is?
Yes.
So is mine.
We got scared. We thought it wasn't working.
But it is now. It's because I added that.
I added kind of a lot of baking soda.
No, I just added a teaspoon. Add a teaspoon because I'm not adding too much.
I think I already did add 2. No, I didn't.
Mine's super sticky still. That's all I'm adding, and then I'm going to use hot.
Yes, finally some good slime that
Oh
will
my
stay
God.
good.
But Mom, you might not like it because it's sticky.
Oh my god, Mom. Look. Mom, look.
Oh, mine's so hard to mix now. Oh, mine's a little bit sticky, but mine.
Oh, yes.
We're gonna have to hide this from Dad,
Yeah.
cause he's not. My mom allowed, like, she kind of allows slime. Oh my God, that just squirted me.
Me too. My forehead.
Did you send a picture to Taylor of that?
No, but I showed her all of it. I joined her live, and then she guested me as like FaceTime on a live, and
Mine's super sticky.
Mine
That's
too.
what it's supposed to be. I'm playing with mine.
me too.
Super, one of us gonna have to add activator. Someone else is.
Yeah.
Wait, I'm adding some more. 'Cause I'm not having it stick to my hands. Okay, that's
Will you
all.
add some for me?
Yeah.
Hurry up. Okay, good. You set the secrets on the counter once your friends say will not make
Okay, I'm mixing.
it.
Finally, actually good slime.
I know, right?
Mom's gonna like this. Feel mine.
I can't.
Cares about this food we done.
I mean, I'll mix yours.
No, I like mine.
Mom, feel
Stop
mine.
it. I like mine. Mine's sticky.
Ooh.
Oh my God, because you don't
Did
even
you do
play.
shave cream?
No,
We used foaming
we
soap.
used foam because we
See,
forgot
but
the
it's still
shaving cream.
you don't like mine, Mom. Mine's sticky.
Yeah, you're not gonna like it. Cause you hate sticky.
Make it less sticky.
Okay, I will right now.
Mom, feel mine. Mine's not that sticky
I
anymore.
know. Hers is sticky.
Here, Lily. Here.
Not that much. Okay, done.
That's how much I added.
I don't want it to be as hard as yours.
Now I'm gonna add some in here too, cause there's.
I'm gonna make a purple color because we got purple scent. It scents it as grape.
Mom, hand us a couple napkins, cause we're gonna need them.
Yeah, how am I gonna do that when I'm stuck?
I know, it feels so good. Alright, what do you want to make now? Do you want to make full bottle of this?
Look, you just
Like you
roll
make
it,
the
it unsticks you.
Yeah, I know.
See?
Yeah. Dude, this is actually good slime. Mom, see, we need good containers, because last time, I think or the glue all
Where's
stuff.
the glue all?
Oh, move your container so they can see it. Oh.
Oh, okay.
So my slime is this pretty color.
Color.
I know. So this is my blue slime. I love it. I have some ASMR.
Okay, now we have to rate it. Out of 1 out of 10.
No, 1 out of 20. Mine is 15.
Mine, 1 out of 20 is probably 12. Only because mine's like good, but
Let me
it's
feel
like
yours.
hard.
So that's mine too. I rate Lily's a 14.
Okay, here.
What did you rate mine?
I like a 1.
You don't like mine? I love
I
mine.
kind of like it.
Mommy, hand us a couple containers.
Or baggie, or plastic baggie.
Yeah, hand us a couple plastic bags, 'cause I don't want to use all Mom's containers.
Like the big one?
No, a tiny, or
The sandwich one.
Yeah. Okay, now get us that Sharpie so we can write our names on
Our
it.
names.
Do that in here.
Yeah. I'm gonna write it on it before I put the slime in it. You
Does
think
a
it
piece of tape to put on there? Or does it write on there?
It writes on there. I just don't want to let it sink through the countertop. Will it?
No.
I don't know if they were baggy, no, it's plastic. If it was paper, it would.
Okay, I need mine too. I need that too. Oh, mine has air.
See, don't do that.
Okay, we're gonna have now we're gonna have to let it sit. Do not touch it. I gotta zip my bag. See, you should have put it in.
No, I
before.
shouldn't have, because then that made your handwriting kind of bad.
Not really. I made the eye mess up though.
See, look at mine. Mine like looks like drippy, ooey slime.
Oh, I'm gonna put an exclamation heart. I'll just put a heart.
Okay, Mom, can we make another one?
Can we make another one?
Okay.
So
I'm making a purple one.
Ew. What am I supposed to make then? I'll make cause
Oh, my little earrings are so cute.
Yeah. Ooh, them pajama pants. I actually kind of want. I'm gonna take a shower and then put them on.
Look at these little, they're like lines. You see them in
Mom, will you wash these out for us?
I don't think they need to be washed out. It's okay.
I
got
do.
these socks and
Cause then they're
water-
gonna be mixed together.
They're not watermelons, they're straight.
Mom, will you hand us new containers? I meant like wash these, Mom. Will you wash these?
You think they need to be washed? We could just mix over, or else it would turn the next one blue, though, wouldn't it? Okay.
Mom, will you rinse mine out?
Oh, that was all good. Look at right here. The sprayer comes up good, kind of. It's turning foamy because of the stove.
Yeah.
Hey, Mom. You know those sparkly bins Oh, neither do
Where
I.
did she go?
Who? I don't know. Okay.
Oh. 15 minutes to choose up all your memory.
I'm doing mine on YouTube, but I don't know.
I'm
Okay.
doing mine on normal camera. Okay, should we do half of the?
No. Half? No. I think I'm
I'm
gonna
doing
do.
just a couple of this. We should use our mini ones first.
Yeah. Why use the big one?
Oh, we forgot lotion.
That's what we can just add it later.
Yeah, what?
Okay, no, we need to figure out what colors we're doing. Okay, this has
I'm doing
red, blue,
I'm
green,
doing
and yellow's cute. I wonder if this paint is how it made it a little hard.
Yeah.
Do you think this paint would mess up the slime, like make it hard? Because that slime's like not the
It's
soft.
not like super hard, but like it's not
It's not
that
the
soft.
softest. Do you think the paint did it or like the foaming soap?
Because we have food coloring too.
I could just add red and blue food coloring. And it would
Lily,
look
do
better.
this every time so the glue doesn't get anywhere. That's what I always
Dang,
do.
Fasty.
Me?
Yeah.
Okay, next.
Is there a new video?
Yeah. I'm doing my video's gonna end soon. I'm gonna end it.
I want mine to be super foamy.
I'm just gonna end mine right now.
Oh, no.
Don't you? I'm not using that much. I'm only doing one squirt this time.
You didn't even use all your. Oh, you didn't.
Just take a spoon. I would actually take a spoon and dig some out. But I feel like that's why it made mine hard because it was too
Can I add some to
fluffy.
yours then?
Mine was too fluffy.
I'm using this spoon.
Yeah, you can add some to mine.
Okay. I gave you some glue too.
Okay,
that's why.
no more. I think yours should be good. Yeah.
No, that should be good. Oh my god, mine's not working. I'm just joking. Cause
You haven't even.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna do the colors. Are you using colors?
Should I eat one box or
Yeah,
two?
I'm doing.
Two.
I think only two. I'm at one. Because it's just me. No, Carter eats a lot, and I love mac and cheese.
Yeah.
Oh no! It's okay. You got one.
Yeah.
Your storage is full. That's exactly what Mom said. It's taking up a lot of your storage.
Yeah, and I can just edit it and saying. Oh, I can connect and say, sorry that my video ended. Oh, there's a flat kind. I'm gonna add. No, I already have a blue one.
You know what I'm gonna do? Add a little bit of that Galen, just a little bit.
Wait, add what?
A little bit of this.
I'm not. I don't.
Just a little bit, not a lot. Watch. Done. Just a huge chunk.
What? I'm only doing one squirt because you never know how much this is too strong. Dude, Lily.
What? I wanted it to be a little bit bigger. But mine looks really small for some reason right now.
Oh, mine's gonna turn out pink.
I'm doing more. Mine looks really small.
Yeah, I'm gonna do another bottle. So I don't want to
Good
add any
idea. I already added kind of a lot of this. I think mine's good.
more.
I
don't
added
even know
two
if
big
full.
chunks, like two big dots.
I want to see what color it adds with the two full bottles. I'm doing two bottles
I'm not.
because I want mine to be big.
Hey, but what if yours turns out good and then I'm
Oh, we had
jealous?
6 butters. I didn't buy any
Wait,
butter.
if mine turned out super good, yes, you did buy butter.
Then I could just use these two, but then you'll still have another bottle left.
I have one more. I have one
You
more.
have one more?
Yeah,
Yeah. Wait, why wouldn't I have one more then?
because I just added one. I just went one.
So what are these two?
That one's full. That one's empty.
Okay.
All these ones are empty.
I wanna.
What are you doing?
Okay.
Ooh,
Should I?
You just need.
No, you make yours first, and if I like it, then I'm actually gonna. I'm just gonna risk it. We both have one left.
I'm gonna do one more dab of this because I don't really. I want it to be like not too red, but like I want it to be like kind of red.
And my friend said, you know you love her, but it's over, mate. 'Cause we ran up the phone. Okay, my thing's gonna end in like a couple seconds. So
Thank
I
you
hope-
for watching
Thank you
the
for
video.
watching. I hope you liked it. Leave a comment and we're gonna do another gymnastics. We're gonna do a gymnastics video next.
We're
probably.
just gonna wait until it ends. So
See,
if it
it's
ends,
blinking. So I think it's gonna end at 25 minutes, and it's at 20 right now. But if it does end, thank you for watching,
and make sure to go check out
Peyton's channel at Amy_Leopard.
Oh, just Amy Leopard.
Oh, okay, Amy Leopard. And
So bye.
No, if it ends, so bye.
If it ends, then bye.
Yeah.
Because we don't know when it's gonna end.
It's like flashes. When it flashes, it means there's like a warning. So, but I think it's about to end at like
Oh my god,
25.
look how big mine is.
So we might still have 5 minutes, but I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Or 23. It ended last time at 23.
Mine ended last time at 21. So I think it's gonna end.
Yeah. Okay, so thank you for watching now.
Yeah. We will do more slime videos. So it's gonna end at 20. So bye guys if it ends.
Oh my god, Peyton. Okay, they get it. Yeah, let's actually measure the time. It looks like a bubble gum. It looks so good.
That's why I'm gonna name it. That's why I'm making this. I didn't want to make it like reddish. I might make it reddish. Mom, look at my slime.
This.
Mom, look at it.
Oh gosh, there wasn't. Boy. Okay, who cares? I'm doing a little
Ooh,
decorative.
I got a little bit of pink on mine.
Okay, I'm just doing a little bit of that. And then I'm doing red and blue to make purple. Where's the food coloring?
And the whole bottle's already here. Oh my god, mine's turning out.
What size they are?
I don't know, but I don't care if they're big.
Oh, these are closed.
Oh.
I'm gonna draw a heart. That failed. Oh my god, they keep getting pink on
Dude.
here.
Don't use so much contact solution.
When you're done, put it in.
Look
the
at how
oven.
cool mine looks right now.
Oh my god, look at mine. Oh my god, that's so not fair.
Mine is like in like earth kind of color. Galaxy.
ooh, okay.
Galaxy. That's what mine is, galaxy.
Mine's pink and it looks like. Wait, move your container real quick. Mine's pink and it
Pink
looks.
is really pretty.
Yeah. And it's starting to come together, but.
I have one question.
Look.
Can I use like a little tiny bit of your Galen just because I bought it? Like a tiny bit. I only used a tiny bit of mine too. But like I kind of want mine to be bigger. I don't want my fork to drop. Okay. I only used a big glob of mine, watch. I won't use that much. Glob. That's it. Wasn't that much.
No. Yeah.
I used 2 big globs of mine, so here. Thanks. So it's still going, so it's obviously gonna end at 25, so that's 2 minutes.
Or 23.
Yeah. No, it's already 23.
Oh.
So yeah, we already said thank you for watching everything, so we need to stop saying that. Where's the? Okay.
Ooh, I'm starting to mix, but it's still super duper sticky. So I'm leaving one hand. I'm leaving one hand out because I need a hand.
No, kids
Oh, it's
don't
gonna
make
end in a
sense.
second.
What? Oh. So it's at 24. So again, thank you so much for watching. I really enjoy making YouTube videos. They're fun. And I'm not trying to brag at all for all of this stuff we got, because a bunch of people think when we show everything we got, we brag and stuff. But like, I honestly like try not to brag at all. It's just kind of fun to do. So if you think I'm bragging, I'm sorry. And you can like leave my channel if you think I'm bragging.
Oh, and maybe if like you guys.
Oh my god, I need to feel that right now. Oh, I knew yours was gonna turn like that. Just by looking at it, I knew it.
Not fully.
It's so good. Okay, I'm gonna add like.
Oh yeah, next time we're getting school glue.
Yeah.
Glue all.
Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna add my
I knew the glue
It's
always
at
gonna
25
be
right now and
hard.
it's not ending.
So who knows when it's probably at like 30.
Let's just stop guessing.
Yeah. So when it ends by.
Shoot. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
How much did you add?
A lot.
Oh my god.
Where do I put it?
Just put some in mine. Just put it right there.
It's okay.
You missed the whole bag.
Bro, my slime's gonna be
Oh,
hard.
I need some lotion.
Okay, thank goodness. Whew.
Oh shoot, I forgot I don't have my mixing tool.
I need the, yeah, that's what I'm looking for.
You squirted me! That's why I always look away because I don't want it to get mine.
It's contact solution, it can't get in your eyes.
Yes, I can. If it squirts out.
I said it can. It's like eye solution, that's exactly what it is.
Oh. Oh yeah, because contact.
Yeah, it's for your contacts.
Dang, girl.
It's so... Mother!
Mom! Sorry, guys. Dang, girl. Girl.
Mom, the oven!
Who show them up, bring them over here. They need to see this.
Forget tonight.
Okay, so I really need to show them myself. Mine's this pink color. It's super stretchy.
And, update on mine, mine's not working.
It's not?
No.
All right, here, I'll mix yours.
Update on mine, it's working. See, it's not even that big for that much glue that I added.
Mine is. I had 2 bottles. I still have 1 more left. Mom! Oh my god. Oh, a trick. And don't turn, whenever you start a video, don't put it straight up, because then when you do the video, you're going to have to look at it straight
Shout out
up.
to Chloe McMillan.
Oh, and
for,
Kelsey Warner, whatever her last name.
Waylon.
Waylon.
Because she doesn't give us good ideas, but just watching her
She does
channel
super good
really
videos.
inspires us. And Chloe, she told me that to turn my camera sideways, so that really helped. And so yeah, shout out to them too. But Kelsey's channel is really good.
Oh, it's at 27, 28 almost.
Kelsey's channel is really good, and she really inspires us to have a YouTube channel.
Okay, I'm done with this.
And yeah.
Oh my god.
And so yeah.
Mom was right.
It's not that bad. It's just
I gotta go, I gotta drain these noodles.
we're making slime.
Honey!
Okay. Mom, feel mine. This one, I don't know about this one. This one is my fave. Probably gonna be a little bit sticky to you, but feel this. Oh my god, look. It is so stretchy.
Mine is taking forever. Okay, now it's not. It's really coming together for real now.
Look at it. Okay. Mom, will you hand me and Lily back when it's done? Mine is done.
This is tough to mix when it starts coming together.
Oh, so you're probably gonna end at 30.
Yeah. That's kind of soon.
So it's at
So again,
29,
shout out to
20.
Kelsey and Chloe because Kelsey is like super, super good. So
Comment down below if you want us to do more slime videos, and we're gonna with our big one.
and go subscribe to Kelsey.Yelsey.
Yeah. So thanks to you for watching this video. Said that like 15 times.
Yeah.
But thank you. And bye whenever it ends.
Whenever it is. Okay, you guys can see mine now before it ends. Hurry up. Show it. Okay, so this is mine.
This is so like.
And I'm going to...
Oh my god, this is our setup. It is so messy.
Okay, anyways, I'm going to be adding
Oh, it
more-
didn't end.
I'm gonna add that lavender scent to it.
Oh yeah, Lily, we should clean up our area a little bit. So like put all the glues that are empty.
And also slime is like really fun, so like you should go get it.
Okay, I got my.
You know what we forgot to do? What? We forgot to like tell them how to make slime in case they didn't know. We should have.
Oh, how you make slime? You add glue. You can explain it.
While we were doing it, we should have though. Like Kelsey did. Because Kelsey's really good.
I'm trying to clean up some
I need
stuff.
some contact solution here. My arm hurts so bad from mixing it. But,
So
like,
did mine.
it's really, hit that. Yeah, it's in that drawer.
Here, put it
Those
over.
red ones
Put
in
it
that
over.
drawer. It's good. No, the other one in that bin. I'm pretty sure.
Oh, phone's at 10.
It's okay.
Yeah, there's pink.
I shouldn't have picked this up. It's not working that well.
Let me feel.
No, it's too
Give me,
sticky.
give
I
me.
can't give you it. No, man, just give me contact solution. A little bit. Keep on adding too much.
Here, put it in your bowl.
No, a little. Okay, good. Dude.
That's how you need it. Is it working?
Now it is, and it's going to be hard. I can already feel it. It's getting hard.
Let me feel.
Hey, I got it to work. It's good.
See, I told you.
It's hard now.
Okay, so I'm gonna move this over. All right, Mom, we need
Oh my
containers
god, I
again.
love this one.
Wait. Okay, Mom, feel my slime now.
It's like sticky like the last one.
Mine's
No,
really
it's
sticky, but
not.
mine's thick.
Mom, we need like give us the whole bag of sandwich bags. We don't know how much we're
We're
gonna
going to
make.
make another one?
Yes.
That's going to use all of our little bottles.
Yeah.
But that's going to be 3 slimes.
Yeah, that's good.
So, yeah. How about we do ASMR ours? Oh, I have to add the scent to it. That's what I have to do. Okay, but you do mine first, and I'll do yours for yours.
Oh, I
And I know slime is like really out of style, but like, here.
You have to like do like a tiny one.
Looking like this.
This is our whole setup.
Mom, can I use this as a scent if it just says be calming? It
Here's
says
mine.
Scented.
What is it?
It says it's be calming like scented stuff.
These are the bottles. We have one more left. We have lotion. There's
That
a bunch of
stuff
stuff.
is really, really strong. So you probably just have to add the littlest bit. I mean, really strong.
Okay. Try.
It's coming.
It's like super tiny.
Yeah, I know. We
I
did.
did.
That's really, really strong.
Kind of.
You're supposed to like put that in a diffuser with a bunch of water because it's strong.
Like super duper.
Because he's looking like less than he's. Never mind.
Okay.
Yeah, like you only need like a couple drops.
I only used like one, but then a little tiny drop came
Okay,
out.
we're gonna make another one. Mom, hand us like the whole bag.
Okay, now let's.
Okay, you need a first. I don't need.
Oh,
wash
it's
mine out.
lavender scent. Okay, I'm gonna write lavender on the bag because it's lavender scented, and I want that to
I'm
be
gonna
the
write
name.
bubble gum.
The only reason.
No, there's blue in it.
The only
What are the scents?
$5.
Oh my
That's right. We only got
We
one.
only got one.
That's right. We were gonna get lemon and stuff, but then we realized it was $5. And there was only like 2 single ones. There was only a lemon single one, and all the other ones came in like a 5-pack of the same kind.
Hey, Mom, move. I need the container. I like the.
Jeez, and this one is so sorry. No, I want your number.
I'm just gonna grab the whole container because I don't know.
Ooh, mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese.
Hey, what's on there? We're gonna eat.
Oh, we're
We're
gonna.
gonna eat before we do the next one.
Yeah, but we didn't. No, because then we're gonna have to clean everything up and then get it back out. We'll just
We
leave
can
it.
eat over there or on the kitchen table. Where's those baggies?
There we go.
Done. Right.
I'm gonna write Lily's again.
Sloppy Joe with the cheese and onion mustard and then
Dang, it still didn't end. It's at 35-10.
Lily Slime lavender scented.
Okay.
I don't want to forget that I put scent in it because I forgot about the scent a lot. That I bought it, that we had it, and a bunch of stuff. So,
How do you spell bubblegum?
Is it B-U-B-B?
Do you have a whole stack of plates over there?
B-U-B-B-B-L-E. And gum. Bubble G-U-M.
I didn't know you might get all a bunch of them for everyone.
That is such a good bubble gum, like no joke. And I think this is a pretty good lavender.
That's why I was like,
But look at Peyton's, yeah, that's a really good bubble gum.
I didn't get
Okay, let's put our signs in the container. In our
Okay.
container. But put
Yeah,
that one on
yeah.
top. So,
Yeah, the good mac and cheese.
oh, you put all
We
your,
haven't got the other mac and cheese in a while.
put your
I
utensils.
know, I like the other mac and cheese.
I kind of liked
I
it.
like this one better.
Ooh, grab like some.
Okay, guys,
juice.
I'm just gonna end it right now.
Those bags.
Yeah, because we already made 2 slimes on camera. So this is my lavender one. This is my blue one. I'm gonna name this one something. This is Peyton's bubblegum, and this is the other one that she still has to name. But we
I
really
already
hope,
named it.
what? Okay, we really hope you liked our video.
Yep.
And
So
yeah,
bye.
so you don't say that. So subscribe and watch more of our videos down below, and watch this one, and give it a like, and give it a comment, and all that.
Put anything in those
So
glasses you're
I'm
bailing?
going to eat. So
Sounds so
yeah, have a good rest of your night. Thank you so much for watching, and go subscribe to Kelsey.Yelsey and
good.
yeah.
Okay,